Welcome back to Simple Household Tips, where we share quick and practical household, cleaning, and lifestyle tips to make everyday life easier. Today, we will cover a couple of surprisingly useful foot care tips. How to cut your toenails properly to avoid painful ingrown nails. And how to make wearing boots more comfortable, especially in cold weather. We will start with toenails. Many people make the mistake of cutting their nails in a curve, following the natural shape of the toe. But the best way to cut toenails is actually straight across. This helps prevent ingrown toenails, which can be painful and even lead to infection. Use clean, sharp nail clippers. Cut straight across, and if needed, gently smooth the edges with a nail file. Avoid cutting them too short. Make it just enough to stay neat and comfortable. Oh, let us talk about boots, especially Wellington boots or rubber boots. While they are practical for gardening, farming, or wet weather, they can transfer the shock of walking directly to your feet. This not only makes walking tiring, but can also leave your feet feeling cold in winter. A simple fix is to slip a piece of foam rubber or even an old yoga mat cut to the shape of your foot inside each boot. This adds cushioning, reduces fatigue, and helps keep your feet warmer. A few bonus tips. Always keep your feet dry to avoid fungal infections. Change socks daily and choose breathable fabrics like cotton or wool. Moisturize your feet at night if they're dry or cracked, and that's it. Simple foot care tips you can use every day. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick household and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching.